All right, mower fans. Today we're going to talk about push mowers. A lot of our mowers have a three-in-one option. There are some that are just one option. So we're going to go over some of these options and give you kind of an opening idea of what you're looking for. If you're like me, sitting on the couch thinking about a mower, not sure which one I want to get, we're going to kind of go over and make it easier for you. So first off, we're going to go about a discharge, mulching, or bagging. Let's talk about the discharging. Discharging on this is what I would use is a smaller yard because you don't have a lot of area. You don't have to worry about bagging the grass. Quick little cuts. It definitely shoots out the side or the rear. So this is my favorite option. This is one of the most common options. If you got a little taller grass, it may come out a little clumpy. So that's where you kind of have to go in and look at which size grass you have. If it's a little longer, wet, you might not want to do a size discharge because it'll clump up in your yard, be noticeable. I tend to cut it 3-4 times just to try and get that out, but that's me wasting my time. So let's take a look at another option, mulching. Mulching is kind of same as discharging, except it keeps it more sucked in underneath, cutting it more. So it's definitely going to get it a finer cut. Which this does is gives you a little bit more nutrients to your lawn. Helps it look a little greener. It's kind of like a fertilizer and the same when it's cutting it that small. But once again, it depends on the length and the wetness of your grass, because if it is a little longer or wet, it is going to be a little more clumpy because it's got nowhere to go. So these are some options for you. These are kind of two of the most popular ones because you don't have any cleanup on it. Now, if you do have longer grass or you just want to make your grass look nice and pick up everything, you have a bagging option. So you can put that on the back of your mower. Not all mowers do come with this option, so you kind of have to take a look at that and realize what you're getting. This is definitely going to be a little bit more work because you're going to have to make sure that bag fills up, empty it, and go back to where you finished at. So these are some of the options for you. We do have them on our website. If you want to check it out, check out Mowers Direct. If you want any questions, give us a call. Other than that, there's a how-to library as well. So give them all, take a look at them all, and then give us a call.